welcome back to the channel. As far as GPS is concerned, bikers have limited options. Of course, if you're lucky enough to own one of the Gold Wings or the Road or Street Glide from Harley, you have a built-in GPS, but as far as the other bikers are concerned, the options are a bit limited. Sure, you have the Garmin's and you have the TomToms, but as far as I'm concerned, they're all like a big bulk of plastic with a display. They will work and they will get you where you want to go, I'm sure of that. But as far as looks are concerned, I think they're all rather ugly. Anyway, I've been struggling with this question for years now, like I need a good GPS. So for a couple of years now, I've been using an SP Connect together with an older phone. And it kind of works, but well, as far as battery life is concerned, it's kind of a disaster. So I've stumbled upon the Beeline Moto. The Beeline Moto is a really small display mounted on your motorcycle. It kind of blends in nicely and it works together with your smartphone. You open your smartphone app, the Beeline app. First you need to make an account and you need to connect the Beeline that you have just bought, and you give in the address you want to go. You put your smartphone in your pocket and the small display will tell you exactly where to go. So the way that Beeline is giving you directions is a little bit unconventional. You don't get any roads, you don't get any street names or whatever. You just get a big arrow that you follow next to a small dot, which kind of gives you an idea in which direction your first turn is gonna be. You have some more info that's available on the display, like if there's a roundabout coming up or split lanes or whatever, but it's all done in a really simple way. So as far as the app is concerned, it's really also a simple setup. You have three main pages. One has your maps, the other one you can choose and you can like tell the app where you want to go, and then you have like an options page where you connect the app to your actual Beeline device. It's all very simple, but it's all very well done and it works very well. So basically all you do is take the app out, just type in an address where you want to go, it instantly connects to your Beeline and then you pocket your smartphone and you're off. Other than that, as I also mentioned before, it is a small display, and they make it even smaller by adding a really wide border. Why? I don't know, because there aren't any sensors built in or whatever. So as far as mounts go, you have a couple of choices. You have a mirror mount, you have the strap mount, which comes in the box, you have this sticky pad mount, and you have a decent moto mount, a metal one that goes around your handlebars. It's really simple, but as far as I'm concerned, it's a keeper. So this is going to be on my handlebars for the foreseeable future. Prices start around 160 euros if you look around on the web, and the metal ones go for around 200 euro. So I think it's really worth checking out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see each other in the next video.